Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix stock market trends with Bloomberg, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Bloomberg on your computer. Log in using your account credentials. Navigate to the Market Monitor section. Select the Equities tab for stock market information. Click on the Market Trends option on the left sidebar. Choose the specific market or index you want to analyze. You will see various charts and graphs representing stock performance. To customize your view, select the Chart Settings option. Adjust the time frame to suit your analysis, such as 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year. Add technical indicators if necessary, like moving averages or RSI. Compare multiple stocks by selecting the Comparison feature. Use the search bar to find specific companies or indices. Click on a stock for detailed information about its performance. Review key metrics like price movements, volume, and market cap. Explore the news section for relevant updates affecting your chosen stock. Utilize the Alerts feature to set notifications for significant price changes. Analyze historic data by selecting the Historical Prices report. Export data to Excel for further analysis if required. Use the economic calendar to track upcoming events that may influence trends. Engage with Bloomberg's tutorials for advanced techniques and features. Regularly update your market insights through continuous research and analysis. Stay informed by following key analysts and market experts within Bloomberg. Review your findings and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.